Hey guys, it's Douglas Plumbing here. You are tip 2 of our spring DIY series, flushing out your water heater. Over time, sediment can build up on the bottom of it, causing it to work harder and be less efficient. It's recommended that it's flushed out annually, and I think spring is a great time to do it. So let me show you how. Grab a garden hose. Find the drain valve right there. I like to turn mine down the pilot. Grab a flathead screwdriver and just a quarter turn, flush it out. Remember, flushing out your water heater will extend the life of it and also save you money. This is Douglas Plumbing. Thanks for watching.